Yes, now on to our story. Yes, on to our story. So, going past the ledges, we actually talked about Pepper Place when we gave you the original tour, but Pepper Place has now been replaced by beautiful tropical flowers. So, in order, we've got the lavender hibiscus, we've got a beautiful pikake jasmine for you lay folk. We've got rose pikake, and then we have two types of hibiscus, one here, one there. And what happened with Pepper Place was this sunny area that we thought would be perfect for the peppers because they wanted a lot of sun, but the peppers were getting burned out. So we replaced them with these plants, and they're kind of thriving, but at the same time, I think they could use more sun. So these plants may be replaced and put into a more exposed area, and we may bring back a couple of those peppers back into here because the older peppers, Hawaiian chili pepper, our long slim, and our bountiful banana peppers, 1, 2, and 3, looks like Pepper Place may be regaining its place now that our older plants have matured and provide some degree of shade to what could be a successful section. Thus, we don't have to rename Pepper Place anything other than what it currently is. The question here is whether or not, the bounty that we find in our banana peppers, look at those buds, look at these buds, will be repeated by our pepper failures. Look at these crumbly, crappy poblanos and our dead bells. But the mohawks and poblanos may soon be rejoining the peppers. Rounding out the rest of Pepper Place, just to give you an idea of what a mess this area has kind of become. Our cutest pepper, this is the beautiful dwarf Thai chili pepper, and the white flowers, the red buds, and its diminutive stature. It's adorable and really prolific. Tell you the truth, I haven't picked or ate any of these things because it's just too damn cute. Kind of squatting in the area. Got our pakalana. And pakalana's doing well with its custom designed trellis. Yes, I made that. We've got 2 ginger plants, 1 mature, 3 amazing sprouts, and a baby ginger over there. We got a curry plant, and the backbone of Pepper Place is our ornamental trellis crawling Okinawan sweet potato. Yeah, that guy is about month 3, 2, looking at around the October-November harvest. Oh yeah, don't forget okra, ladyfinger that has kind of squatted in the Pepper Place, papaya, and our papaya saplings that we're trying to grow to keep up with that papaya, because male and female, you're gonna need a mate. So Pepper Place, kind of a little bit overgrown, but in some cases bountiful and beautiful, and overall doing a great job for us here. Great sun exposure, some issues with airflow, but from the trellis crawling Okinawan sweet potato to the now budding banana peppers and potentially budding Slim Jim and the useless Hawaiian chili pepper, this has been a favorite little corner of mine.